Hi guys, so welcome to another vlog. It's morning over here. I'm done with my school run and I'm just parked right at the front of butcher. That's what they call them, right? So I'm going to get some fresh meat that I'm going to be using to cook this morning, and that's where I'll be heading to. So welcome to another vlog. I'm going to carry you guys on my activities, and hope you guys enjoy. And please, if you love this video, please do where to give it a thumbs up. Okay, guys. So let's go. Let's go and get this meat, and we'll be heading home because I have some cooking to do, which I don't know if I'll be carrying you guys along as well. Okay, let's go. Buongiorno. Vorrei il manzo
Sì?
da 14.
Sì? 14 euro? Volentieri. Devo fare già a pezzi?
Sì. Che cosa sono questi?
Scusami?
Questi?
Questa qua è taglio reale con l'osso.
Me lo dai da 10?
10 euro? Volentieri. Guardate, sto finendo.
Heard you found somebody to hold on to, but they will never love you like I want to. Used to whisper your mind after I'd start a fight just to make sure you know I'm right. When I want
So guys, I am back, and the next thing I'm going to do is to try and put all these things inside here. So that's what I'm going to be doing right away. Let me put the camera down.
of a kind, but I just thought we might make it another night. I know when I made for this, and I'd hate to say we almost made it.
So here it is. This is the 4 of them. There are 4 here, and this is the 4th one. So this is guys, so this is the meat I got. This is beef, And these are some beef and some biscuit bones as well. So I'm just going to wash them right now. Let me show you guys this one. Okay, there are some biscuit bones. So here it is. I'm just going to cut them more and then I'm going to wash them. So guys, something I just recently found out. You guys remember my video of when I was in the hospital? So after then that I've been home, even at the hospital, one of the doctors told me that the wife has had the same experience, incident, but since she started eating beef, carne, that's beef, that things she doesn't have anemia again. So when I visited my personal doctor, he as well advised me to be eating beef. And so I'm trying to listen to them. I'm trying to pay attention to them. Be eating beef at least once in a while, and I will also be adding liver and see, yes, some liver to eat, because I know that liver is also very good. So I'm going to wash this meat off camera, guys. See you guys when I'm done. So guys, here they are. I am done washing all of them. So I decided to make two soups today, and one is going to be ogbono soup with some okra, and this is going to be a greasy soup. So I'm not going to be carrying you guys along, okay guys, because I have a lot of things to do today. So I'm going to be seeing you guys when I'm done with the making of this soup. But anyway, on my channel you can find the recipe of this soup. You can still see them on my channel, okay? So see you guys when I'm done. So guys, look at that, I am done. This is my okra soup with small obolo, and this is my egusi soup. So guys, look at that. This is what I've done this morning. So I'm going to start clearing my sink. Everywhere is mixed up. I'm just going to start clearing it now because it's almost time to go out and do something. I have an appointment.